Hi there and welcome to this tutorial to draw and add images to your documents. To get started, click on the Insert button on the toolbar. Then, hover your cursor over the Drawing option and select Plus New from the extended menu. In the Drawing window, you can use the drawing tools to create various shapes and lines. To draw a line, click on the Line box to open a drop-down, and then select the type of line you want to create. You can choose from options such as straight lines, arrows, and curves. When you're finished drawing, click on the blue Save and Close button in the top right corner of the window to insert your drawing into the document. Now, if you have a more intricate image that you want to feature in your document, you can use a third-party app like MS Paint to create it. Open your preferred program and create your drawing. Then save it as a JPG file. Next, head back to Google Docs, click Insert again, and select Image from the extended menu. In the Insert Image window, select Upload from Computer and then choose the image you just saved from your computer. Click Open to add it to the page. You can click on your drawing or image to drag it around the page. If there is text, you can format it as inline, wrap text, break text, behind text, or in front of text. If you format it as behind text, you can drag it anywhere on the page, and it will stay. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily draw and add images to your Google Docs documents.